What's up everyone? Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're going to dive into something truly special, the 2024 Lexus LM, a luxury van that's redefining the meaning of comfort and indulgence on the road. But here's the catch, it's not coming to America. Let's find out what we're missing out on in this exclusive review. From the outside, the 2024 Lexus LM is unmistakably a Lexus, with its bold spindle grille design that blends seamlessly into the body color. Measuring over 17 feet long, 6 feet wide, and nearly 6.5 feet tall, this van commands attention wherever it goes. It rides on 19-inch forged aluminum wheels and features LED lighting all around, including adaptive high-beam headlights and dynamic leveling for optimal illumination. As soon as you slide open the power-operated door, you're greeted by an interior that's more akin to a private jet than a van. The 4-seat configuration features 2 lounge-like VIP throne seats facing a massive 48-inch widescreen. These chairs are equipped with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and can even sense your body temperature for optimal comfort. They also feature extending ottomans and larger headrests for added support. But that's not all. The LM also boasts a built-in mini fridge, a 23-speaker Mark Levinson reference 3D surround sound system, and a glass partition for privacy from the front row. With multicolor ambient lighting, individual climate controls, and wireless controllers with HDMI inputs, your passengers can customize their environment to perfection. The cabin also features semi-aniline leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and a host of convenient features like a digital rearview mirror, 9 cup holders, and coat hooks, active noise control, and AC. Under the hood, the Lexus LM offers 2 hybrid powertrain options. The LM 350 hours comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined 184 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque. It's available with front-wheel drive or Lexus E4 all-wheel drive system. For those seeking more power, the LM 500 hours packs a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid system with a total output of 273 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. It comes standard with all-wheel drive and uses a 6-speed automatic transmission instead of a CVT. Both models feature Lexus advanced hybrid technology and nickel metal hydride battery packs, ensuring impressive fuel efficiency despite the van's size and weight. The LM 350 hours is rated at 5.55/6L100 km, while the LM 500 hours returns 6.6L100 km. In addition to its luxurious appointments, the 2024 Lexus LM comes loaded with advanced safety features. Highlights include Lexus Safety Sense Plus with pre-collision system, pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane tracing assist, and full-speed radar cruise control. It also has blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, a 360-degree camera system, and intelligent park assist. 6 airbags, stability control, and emergency driver stop system further enhance occupant protection. Now, here's the catch, the 2024 Lexus LM is not coming to the United States. It's being sold in over 60 countries, including Europe and Japan, but Americans will have to admire it from afar. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, be prepared to pay a premium. LM 350 hours 2WD Sports Luxury, $160,888. LM 350 hours AWD Sports Luxury, $165,888. LM 500 hours AWD Sports Luxury, $220,888. While we may not be able to experience the 2024 Lexus LM firsthand, it's a remarkable showcase of Lexus' commitment to luxury and innovation. This opulent van offers an unparalleled level of comfort, cutting-edge technology, and impressive hybrid efficiency, all wrapped in a sleek and stylish package. Who knows, maybe one day we'll see a version of this ultimate luxury van gracing American roads. But for now, we can only dream and admire from a distance. If money was no object, would you consider purchasing the Lexus LM for your personal transportation needs? That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive automotive content from Crazy Auto Premiere. See you next time!